many managers in multi-project environments tell us that when they try to review why tasks did not get completed by committed dates, every time they are told a different story. These managers get into a mindset that they start taking a stand that I don't want to listen to any stories. I just want the result, period. And that doesn't improve the situation either. So what is happening here and how can we deal with it? Let us see. Our minds work in such a way that when we are under time pressure, we start noticing each and every small thing that is coming in our way. And those same things we will not notice when we are not under time pressure. For example, you can try this as an experiment. Next time when you are driving to go somewhere and let's say you are late, you will find that you will start observing everything happening on the road which is coming in your way of speeding up. So maybe some pedestrian is coming in the way, or some other vehicle suddenly crossed into your lane, or there was a red traffic light where you had to wait, or there are potholes on the road. Everything you will notice. Now imagine another day when you are again driving to go somewhere, but this time you are well in time. So you know that you are going to reach before time. So in that case, you will be driving very comfortably. Maybe you will be listening to some music or chatting with some co-passenger or stuff like that. And you will not notice any of these things happening. Does it mean that on that day, these things were not happening? Not at all. All these things like pedestrians coming in the way, or red traffic light, or potholes on the road, it is there all the time. It is only a question of whether you noticed it or you didn't notice. And that depends upon whether you were under time pressure or you were not under time pressure. And there are hundreds of things on the road that can come in your way of speeding up. So similarly, when we come to tasks of projects, there is a focused tracking happening when the time pressure has already built up. So these people who have committed dates, they start noticing everything that is holding up their speed. And again, in projects environment, like on the road, there are hundreds of dependencies and hundreds of variables where something can go wrong. And all these small things are being registered because of time pressure. So as a result, when somebody asks them that why something got delayed, every time they have a different story to tell. So how to avoid this? This can be prevented by designing SOPs and workflows which can significantly improve adherence to commitment dates. Watch video 3.2 where we have explained this in greater detail.